Hello everyone and welcome to Broadstairs on a beautiful spring day. In fact, I think it's possibly the nicest day we've had this year. Very insistent bell, as you can hear in the background. I don't know what to do about that. Okay, so here's the latest piece. It's a poppy tree with a blackbird, and the green is the celadon again. It's one of my favorites. It's so subtle, and with the background they're tonally almost equal, but I think that allows the poppies to really sing out, and the blackbird is not competing because he's black. I think William Ward, my framer, has kind of excelled himself here with this burgundy frame. It almost steals the show, but I love it for that. I think it's really a nice one. And as usual, I've written an accompanying verse which goes like this. Poppy tree. Did you know that there could be such a thing as a poppy tree? Mr. Blackbird knows its proper name, Lynodendron tulipera, if it's all the same.